Have you ever wondered why thoughts seem to shape our reality? Why does focusing on a dream sometimes draw it closer, as if the world is listening? For centuries, mystics and philosophers have spoken of this power. But now modern science, especially quantum physics, is suggesting that reality itself may respond to the observer. Today, we'll explore the surprising, often mind-bending science behind manifestation and discover what happens when you align your inner world with the mysterious quantum universe. Our everyday view of reality feels fixed and stable, but on a deeper level, things are very strange. According to quantum physics, particles like electrons can act like tiny bits of matter or waves of energy, depending on whether they are being observed. This was revealed most famously in the double-slit experiment. When no one is looking, electrons pass through two slits like waves, creating an interference pattern like overlapping ripples in water. But as soon as someone observes them, they collapse into a single definite particle and go through one slit or the other. It's as if the very act of observation shapes reality. Quantum physicists call this the observer effect. The idea is that your consciousness is not separate from the universe. It plays an active role in creating it. Experiments like the delayed choice experiment show that decisions you make in the present can even seem to affect the outcome of particles that behaved differently in the past. It's as if time itself is more malleable than we thought. Other research, like the work of the Princeton Engineering Anomalies Research Lab, has shown that groups of people focused on the same intention can subtly influence machines and physical systems. Even small effects like this hint at a profound reality. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions can change the world around you at the most fundamental level. Some physicists propose that our universe is like a giant hologram, a kind of 3D projection built from information at the quantum level. In this view, consciousness itself could be the light that illuminates this cosmic hologram, making your perceptions a kind of creative force. This matches ancient philosophies that describe reality as an illusion or dream, one that responds intimately to the dreamer. If this is true, then becoming the version of you who already has what you desire is less like attracting and more like choosing which slice of the hologram to experience. The law of assumption, the practice of feeling as if your dream is already real. This is not just wishful thinking. Quantum physics implies that all possible versions of your future already exist as a superposition, an energetic potential waiting for you to collapse it into form through your attention and belief. What happens when you stop grasping and allow yourself to feel it is done, it is mine, I am already here? You move into resonance with the desired state. You emit a new signal. And this signal invites your reality to reorganize itself, to reflect the new version of you back to you. So how can you practice this in daily life? Set a clear intention and let it go. Trust that the outcome exists as a quantum possibility. Then give up control of how or when it happens. Visualize and feel as if you already have it. Neuroscience shows that imagining a future outcome fires the same brain patterns as if it were already real, which literally begins rewiring your brain. Surrender to ease. Surrender is not passivity. It's creating spaciousness for the universe to deliver in its most elegant way. Every time you practice this, you signal to your subconscious and the quantum field that you're aligned with the reality you choose. Remember, you are not separate from the world you experience. Reality is not a fixed stage, it is a responsive, living dance. And your inner state is the music it follows. When you trust the process and surrender into this deeper knowing, your world begins to reflect the truth you have assumed. So close your eyes, breathe. Repeat after me, I am the observer of my reality. I choose the version of life that fulfills me. What I assume to be true must appear. I am already what I seek. Let this become your rhythm. Let this be your new reality.